gonna come look at all the Evos with me?
I already did.
I truly thought I would never see the day where all 4 Evos that we own run at the same time. This one you can't even hear. Bobby's car's really quiet. Rub it up a little bit. You can't even hear your damn car. Hey, it hootered.
Yes.
Isn't that weird that all of our Evos run? I'm pretty sure there was a time where all 4 of these cars didn't run at the same exact time.
Yeah, there was.
And now they all run. Come look. Let me know what you think.
How many freaking times I gotta look?
What's your favorite one? Out of all of these beautiful Evos that we have, and the Tacoma.
I like your Evo 10.
My Evo 10?
Yeah, the original Ava.
Yeah, it's between that and the Evo 8. I don't know. I think the Evo 8 is just so clean. The Evo 10's hella aggressive.
Yeah.
I like your Evo as well. I don't know. They all got their own.
My Evo and the abandoned Evo look the same.
They're like the same car, yeah. They're like both just basic,
Yes.
clean. Your car's about to look good though, because we're gonna do some shit.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. I would say if I had to pick one out of every single car here, I would say my Evo 10 as well. The
Yeah.
Raptor one.
Yeah.
And then the Evo 8.
How's the most done to it? The most done to it looks the best. That, and that. Sorry. Abandoned Evo comes in last.
You come in last.
Whatever. That comes in last.
The truck is the most reliable vehicle here.
Oh.
UPS guy's gonna be really confused.
Turn off all the cars. This is so gay.
This is not gay. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
No.
Alright, you can turn them all off. How's it going?
Good, how are you, man?
Good, good.
Evo party, huh?
It is.
Yeah.
It is the Evo party out here. He knew what Evos were. Whoa. Look at prismatic powders coming through with the UPS next day air. Never fails.
Jared told me that I eat a lot of calories for a girl.
You wanna know something sad?
Yeah.
We have to trade all these in one day.
For what?
A child.
For a child?
Yeah.
I'm not having kids.
We already got our kids right here. This is our one big happy family. This is Rose.
Rose?
What's the abandoned Evo's
There's
name?
just abandoned Evo.
No, we have to have a name for it. Is it a
That's
boy?
always-
Is it a boy or girl?
It's not a part of our family.
Yeah, it is.
It's a temporary car.
It's in my name. I registered it. Yeah. No. Yeah, it's a
Apple.
girl. No, it has to be a name.
That is Apple is a name. You named one of your cars.
Evelyn. Her name's Evelyn. Okay, we got Rose. We got Evelyn. We have Evelyn and Ava, our sisters. No, we have to get a new one for that.
No, what are you
It's part of our family. Don't flip me off.
Baby, Avery.
It's Brad. His name's Brad.
Baby, what? You're changing all the names. You can't do that.
So today we're gonna be working on Bobby's Evo.
Mm-hmm.
Hold up, you got bread. You got some toast and peanut butter on your face. What are we gonna do? We got new wheels. Are your wheels back on?
Yeah, which I'm kind of hesitant to take off or to put back on.
I did it on my Evo 8.
Yeah, but you're kind of crazy. Let's be honest.
I understand.
Okay, we got a front lip to put on. We got some skirts. Are we gonna bleed the system?
Yeah, AOST system. Bleed the AOST system, and then I think that's it.
Yeah.
Just put it back in summer mode because winter's over. Clearly,
There's snow everywhere. 3 days of snow next week.
it's 42 in snow. That's not gonna stay anywhere, especially in Spokane. Deer Park, maybe. Spokane, nah. So we gotta get everything out of storage. Your wheels are all nice and clean, by the way. I cleaned them for you.
Really? I'm gonna feel bad then going back on the road.
Well,
I don't know, maybe we should wait a little bit.
no, we gotta. If you're here, you might as well just get it done right now. You're gonna do a carbon fiber lip and carbon skirts, but you're worried about your wheels. I'd be much more worried about your lip.
Should we not then?
Then why'd you come over? to hang out
I'm
with me?
getting scared. I don't want to ruin
We're gonna
anything.
put everything onto it. You'll be fine.
I'll
How
be
much? How much snow's on the road at the house? At the farm?
Nothing, but this morning there was so much ice, like black ice everywhere.
Black guys everywhere. That's crazy. Ow! That's my freaking belly. You see your parts?
Not really seeing much. Hey, I found my wheels.
You like them?
Yeah,
Did you miss them?
They're so clean. I don't want to ruin these bad boys.
Would you like to hand me the lip, please?
The lip's down there. Whoa,
It's
whoa!
right there in that big white box.
Please don't put that in, baby.
Why'd you fall?
I didn't. I meant to sit down.
So when I built the motor in this car, I pulled the transfer case out as well. So we need to bleed the AOXC system on this car. Well, I still have that month through scanner. I haven't sent it back yet. You can actually hear it right now when she starts it up. So that's the first thing we're gonna do is bleed the AOXC system, and then we can move on to all the mods. Hey, you have a check code for your AWC pump.
Really?
Yep, air bleed. And we're gonna wanna connect scan tool, steering wheel straight, turn the ignition on, it's on. Perform actuator test, turn steering wheel right. All right, I'm gonna have you do that. Just turn the steering wheel.
Tell me when to turn.
All right, turn it. There we go. Okay, stop. You want to go look in that reservoir to make sure.
Yeah.
All right, we are all finished up with the ACD bleed. Should be good. No light gang. What's next? The wheels?
Yeah, I guess we can do that.
Why are you jiggling?
Because I'm getting excited.
Can he twerk for daddy? So we just got to slap on the new wheels, the carbon lip, make sure it fits right, because when you test fit it, it didn't really fit.
No.
Perfect.
I mean, it was a really tight squeeze.
Yeah, it was a tight squeeze. It was a really, really tight squeeze. And then the skirts as well, and we should be done for the night. Keeping the flaps on, yeah?
Yes.
She also said her car's getting really slow.
It is.
Maybe your brand new motor's blown up.
Is it the BOV we put on? Does that do anything to
Your
it?
BOV made your car slow?
I mean, it could affect the turbo because we have it tightened down all the way.
No, I'm sorry. What are you getting for PSI?
I'm just trying to be smart. I don't know because my freaking gauges don't work.
Oh yeah, you're right. Let's fix your gauges tonight too. Let's fix everything.
Everything.
Wheels first?
Yeah. I got my gloves on to do the wheels.
All right, let's do it. lip is on, skirts are on. We kept the flaps on. I think it looks really sick with the flaps. Should we drop her on the ground? Should we slam her on her guts?
Let me just take a little peek-see. Wow.
You like?
Yeah, so much better. This is what I've been waiting for.
Head scratcher.
Yes.
All right, let's get her on the ground and see how she looks.
See how she really looks.
Leave a comment down below. How long are the lip and skirts gonna last?
Really?
Just drop a comment. I'm guessing a week until we get at least one crack. What?
Do you know how to fix carbon fiber?
No
Well,
fucking
that's
clue.
the next YouTube video. Learn how to fix it. That's what my front lip's gonna look like.
Yeah, probably. All right, let's get her on her. Let's get her on her guts.
Why?
Seems 40 feet up in the air. That's fine. Come on. Why the fuck is your e-brake off?
I don't know. I'm not the one who did that.
God damn it!
Oh my god.
Holy fuck!
I never ran so fast.
Oh. Who the fuck did that? Was that me or you?
I don't freaking know.
I almost pooped.
I almost.
You almost took out the damn garage door.
Did you see how fast I ran?
That's funny. No, that wasn't funny, but fuck, that looks sick though.
Okay, yeah.
Now we need some. Could imagine some canards.
Yeah.
That like aggressive as shit.
Yeah.
It was,
Oh, baby.
Actually-
Rosie, you're looking.
it actually looks a lot better than I thought it would. This carbon lip.
Yeah, it's because there's a lot of black right there. If there wasn't black right there, then it'd literally just stick out like.
Well, we always took out the shop door. I don't know why, but the e-brake was off, so it was a little bit hairy. But
It was both of our fault.
it was. Here's how she looks. The new goodies. It looks so much freaking better.
Looks so good.
It does look really good. I think some nice canards on the bumper would kind of finish off the front end, and then of course get those holes filled. That's not the only hole we're gonna fill.
Babe, you do not say that.
Yeah, canards, fill the holes, and should be done. Big wing, APR GTC 300.
No, I'm not a big wing type of person.
You don't like big wings? Come
I
on.
love big wings,
I knew you loved big wings.
but only in your cars. That's a Devin Niemela thing.
Wait a minute. Yeah, that looks a lot freaking better. Throw some coils on now and just lower it a little bit. That lip is. You still have quite a bit of space, honestly. Like,
Yeah, I do. Like it a lot. Now the rear is really missing something.
some canards or a Voltex carbon diffuser.
I want that one. It looks so good. I'm so happy. This is all I've wanted for so long. So sick of it.
Well, all right. We gotta fix her gauges. Her gauges don't work again.
This is
That
what
damn.
makes me wanna do. No, you can't show. That's only for you.
She's twerking on YouTube, boys.
No, I'm not twerking. I'm practicing because I suck.
Good job. I almost dropped my camera trying to show you boys the torque.
You were so excited.
We have an Adifuse. I think that's what it's called from AutoZone, and it broke. It's not working anymore, so I bought a new one. We got to put it in. Do you have it? Is it here? Let's swap that bad boy out, and you'll be done. We should probably torque your lug nuts too.
Torque them?
Torque them.
Oh. Yes.
Don't scrape. Bobby's Evo 10 turned out absolutely sick. After it's all cleaned up tomorrow and it's actually bright outside, I will show you guys how it looks. Wow. Wonder if there's the Bobby under here.
Cuddle with me, Daddy.
I need a hair. Daddy. You're a weirdo. I need a. Ow! Son of a cock. I was just trying to show you my hair. I need a haircut. Look at my hair. I just don't know what style of haircut to get. I should ask YouTube, but by the time this video goes out, I already get my haircut, so.
And I'm gonna give you a black eye too.
Shall I do an Instagram poll of what style of haircut to get?
Honey, remember I have that picture of that one guy on my phone of how you're supposed to get your
That
hair?
one guy. But every time I get a haircut, I literally like it for like 2 days. I'm like, this looks like shit, so I put my hat back on. And then I go bald. Because you stress me the fuck out.
Don't pretend it's from me. It's from yourself.
I'm gonna go on Instagram and I'm gonna do a poll. Wait, how am I gonna do this poll? Anyways, boys and family alike, I need to go show you Bobby's car if you haven't seen it on her channel.
I just like really short hair. I don't know why. Like I like just a clean cut.
But it only stays clean for like a day and then you go get it cut again. Why, Rich? Okay, this is what my head looks like right now. Pretty bummy.
My laco beso.
Do you like my head? Bobby thinks I should she thinks I should pretty much shave all my head off.
No, I don't. I just think that you should shorten it up a little.
I shorten it every time, but it grows so
You're
fast.
so cute.
You have peanut butter in your face.
I'm saving it for you.
So I'm gonna we're gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna get my hair cut, but first let me go show you the Evo because it looks dank.
We're supposed to have a 60-mile-per-hour winds today.
Yeah, it's already hella windy, like hella windy. It's kind of dark already, so this is a useless video.
Hey, I don't hear the ticking noise.
Are your lights still off, like your TPMS?
Yep.
Dope. Gauges still work?
Yep.
So it's good to go.
Yep.
Dope. Full sned ahead.
Full sned ahead. Full sned ahead.
I actually didn't get my hair cut because we went to the gym and then we came back and Bobby made dinner and now we're gonna go have a party by ourselves. You probably can't see me. Holy shit, your lights up. Okay, good night. Bye. Oh, should I vlog our party? No, that's gay. Sorry, I'm not vlogging you. Good night.
Why? We're so cool.